I'm going to show you how to export a movie from iMovie on the iPad, or iPhone for that matter, into your Google Drive account and then share it with Ms. Rubinian. One thing that you want to do before you start this process is get Google Drive on your iPad or iPhone. It's free and it connects with your Kentfield schools, so it's quite useful. So that's one step. If you've done that, then you're ready to go. So you're going to go to iMovie and you're going to tap on the project that you would like to export, also known as finishing or sharing. So this is my upload button. I'm going to tap on that. And then chances are you're going to have to turn on Google Drive. So I'm just going to turn this off real quick. It'll look like this when you first do it. And you probably won't see Google Drive as one of your options to share to. So it's just going to list you all the possible ways you could share this movie. So go to More, go to Google Drive and turn it on. And now it will show you Google Drive is available. So I tap on Google Drive. And the first time you do this, it will probably take you to a screen like this, which is your standard Google sign-in page interface. So you'll just sign in with your @Kentfield Schools account and then put in your password. And once you've done that, it will show your account name right there. And then it'll show the file ready to go. This is the movie file. And then you just tap Upload and it will start to do the uploading process. That takes a little bit. But once it's done that process, it will show up in your Google Drive account. So I'm going to pretend like this process has already happened, and I'm going to run over to my Google Drive account and show you what that looks like. So I'm going to click that closed, go over to Google Drive, and tap that open. And the first time you use this, you will have to sign in as well. All right, so once you have signed into Google Drive, it will show you your standard set of files. If you've prefer to look at this as icons, it'll show up as that. I have it set as a list of files. So that movie file, it comes in as kind of a generic name, file_000, that's its name. And that's not a very helpful name. You're going to want to rename it so that you'll remember it and so that Ms. Rubinian will know what the project is that you're sharing and who did it. So there are these 3 dots over here in the corner. Tap on the 3 dots and you're going to get this menu. Tap on Rename and you can rename the project. Something like Cooking Class, maybe the recipe that you're doing, and then your name. My name is Mr. Cutler, so I'm just going to type that in and rename. So there is the new file right there. Now I can share that. I tap on the 3 dots again, Add People. I start to type Miss Rubinian's name, R. Rubinian, and if you're at school, her name will automatically show up. If you're at home, you might have to type in the full @Kentfield Schools. So I tap on her name, she shows up here. Then when I tap on this little paper airplane icon, that will send it to her, and she will see it in her shared folder. So that is how you take a movie from iMovie on an iPad or an iPhone and export it to Google Drive and share it with Ms. Rubinian.